back, my friends, to yet another daily work from home job lead that is non-phone. Today just seems to be the day for non-phone work from home job leads. I promise for those of you who do enjoy customer service, I will have some customer service job leads coming up very shortly. But the links to this one, if you're interested in applying, are in the YouTube description box below this video. But the company Seesaw, they are a learning platform that brings educators, students, and families together to deepen student learning. So they're an education platform. They're hiring a customer support specialist. Now, a few things to note about this position. It is a non-phone. Their customer support is through email. It is remote only within the United States. It is a 1099 contractor position, and it is a temporary position. But like I always say, you can line up temporary jobs while you are searching for your permanent dream work from home job. Some money is always better than no money in my eyes. But a few things about this one specifically, it is going to pay $20 an hour. Training begins on May 1st of 2023 through June 2nd of 2023 and will be 30 hours a week. So they are paying you for training, but it doesn't start until May, so that is a few months away. You'll have to be available 40 hours a week once you are done with training, and the temporary position runs from June 5th of 2023 through the end of September of 2023. But if this sounds like something you are interested in, they want teachers in schools to be successful with their learning platform, so they're looking for compassionate problem solvers to join their customer support team. So you'll quickly and effectively solve customer issues through email, so non-phone, from teachers, schools, and parents to make sure that they are successful in using the Seesaw learning platform. You'll help identify and escalate any software issues or bugs up to the IT team to get them fixed. So you'll be learning the ins and outs of the products and basically become an expert on the Seesaw learning software platform. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They want someone who has a passion for education, empathy, and patience for teachers, schools, and parents. Someone who can work in a fast-paced environment, someone who has 2 years of customer service experience, great written communication skills, and someone who can be detail-oriented and highly organized. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you are looking for in the comments. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.